What is Kailo? Kailo is a wearable pain relief patch that is designed to alleviate discomfort associated with various types of pain, including joint pain, muscle pain, and chronic pain. It is a non-invasive, drug-free solution that uses innovative technology to help manage pain. How does Kailo work? Kailo works by utilizing nanotechnology and bioantenna technology. The patch is made up of a patented array of billions of tiny capacitors that are designed to interact with the body's electrical signals. When applied to the skin near the site of pain, Kailo is believed to create a dynamic electrical field that can help to reduce the perception of pain. It is thought to work by interrupting pain signals and improving the body's natural pain relief mechanisms. Features and benefits of Kailo. Drug-free pain relief. Kailo offers a non-invasive, drug-free option for managing pain without the need for medications or invasive procedures. Versatile. Kailo can be used for various types of pain, including joint pain, muscle pain, back pain, and more. Easy to use. Kailo is a simple wearable patch that can be easily applied to the skin and can be used discreetly under clothing. Long-lasting. Kailo is designed to last for years, making it a cost-effective option for long-term pain relief. Waterproof. Kailo is water-resistant, allowing it to be used during activities such as swimming or showering. How to use Kailo. Identify the area of pain on your body. Peel off the protective backing from the Kailo patch. Apply the patch to the skin near the site of pain. It can be applied directly to the skin or over clothing. Adjust the placement of the patch to find the optimal position for pain relief. Leave the patch on for as long as needed, and reposition it if necessary. Pros and cons of Kailo. Pros of Kailo. Drug-free pain relief option. Versatile and can be used for various types of pain. Easy to use and can be used discreetly under clothing. Long-lasting and waterproof. Cons of Kailo. Effectiveness may vary from person to person. Some users may find the patch to be expensive compared to other pain relief options. It may not work for all types of pain or conditions. Kailo price and where to buy. Kailo is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 90-day money-back guarantee.